right, so in this video, I'm going to go over some things that I want you to pay close attention to while we are learning virtually. As you enter our math course online, you will see this little Bitmoji classroom that I created that to try and kind of look like my classroom. It's a little fancier than what I've got, but you get the point. Sometimes I'll put the weekly agenda here or just somewhere on this front page. Right now it's in the Start Here folder, but please note that it will probably be on the front page as we continue. So as you click into the Start Here folder, this is where our checklist is for the week. This is September 8th through 15th. Super important to note this checklist. These are the things that I expect of you to have done from Tuesday to Tuesday. And then I will roll out the new content and to-do list on Wednesdays. So please note, this is super important, this math checklist. So for you all, it says math checklist, or for some of my accelerated students, it'll say accelerated math checklist. You first need to watch the welcome video or syllabus. So hopefully you've already done that. That's right below. And you will see that I put all of these assignments in the exact order that I did in the checklist, okay? And that's super important that you finish these assignments in order. Usually some videos will pertain to the assignment. After that, you're watching the Navigating Schoology video. Congrats, you're doing that right now. And then you'll watch the About Mrs. Mutz video. And then you will complete the About Me activity. So I know this seems like a lot of activities and assignments. You'll see that there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. And that seems like a lot. I have chunked it on the side here, day 1, day 2. So day 1, you don't have to do it this way. Please know I just like to put it all out there. You can go at your own pace. But if you want to follow my guidelines, go for it. So day 1, I say watch these videos and then do the About Me activity. Call it good, and then come back the next time, day 2, email the teacher assignment, Big Ideas onboarding assignment, and then the math consensogram can be completed later. So as long as you get this done by Tuesday, September 15th, you are in the clear. But just these are helpful hints to kind of chunk it up for you and for you to use this checklist to make sure everything's completed. Okay, another thing that you can look for to kind of make sure you got everything turned in. So if you go back to the home page, right here on the right side of your page, you can see all the assignments that are due and the due date at the top. And usually these are always going to be on Tuesday before I roll out the next week's content. Okay, so that's just an important step to kind of remember, upcoming events and so forth. So something that I do want to note for next week, when I do start rolling out math content, I might have Big Ideas 1.1 math homework. Okay, obviously you can't complete that homework on Schoology. You're going to have to go through the portal. So portal, Big Ideas, and go complete it there. Okay, but it will show up on your calendar over here on Schoology, just so you don't forget. Last thing, or a couple last things that I want to point out, Zoom meetings. So Zoom meetings, these are for times that you're struggling on your math homework or just in general with the lesson, that you just have some questions that you want to work through some problems one-on-one or through in a group setting, and we can meet together and work through those problems. So I have attached the links Thursdays and Fridays for my math kiddos at 1 to 1:30. If you are an accelerated kids, you will see that time is a little different on your Zoom meetings. Okay, and then everyone is Wednesdays at 9 to 10 a.m. So make sure you join in on those. If you are struggling at all, I'm always here to help. Or if you just want to email me, I love getting those emails too. And just note that I am teaching Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday. So just be cautious of that when I can reply. Last thing before I sign off. Oh no, okay, there we go. Last thing, important course information. Please go through these folders. You don't need it a lot. Just going through it once is good enough. I would maybe go through, read about your instructor. So these are my Zoom meetings again, other important information, stuff about our course, due dates and late work, all that jazz. Okay, Zoom meetings, another Zoom link. There you go. Okay, and if you need help, there's some helpful documents as well. All right, so if you need anything at all, or if this video was a little confusing, I'm hoping I pointed out all the things that I wanted you all to make sure that you pay attention to. But if you need anything at all, please reach out. I'm an email away. Thanks, guys.